Morning, my grade 7 students. How are you? Hope you are fine and safe at home. Today, our lesson is about photosynthesis, production of organic matter. It's page 36 in your book. So please open your book and follow with me. Are you ready? Let's start. At the end of this lesson, you are going to describe the process of photosynthesis. Before starting our lesson, we are going to start by singing a song about the photosynthesis. So I'm going to play the song, and you are going to dance and to move your body parts about when you hear the photosynthesis song. So let's start, and don't forget to move your body parts and to sing with me with the photosynthesis song. Let's start.
We eat, drink, and breathe through a process called photosynthesis. Wow, what a word! So, what is photosynthesis?
I just sit around all day, doing nothing to say. It's how it is when you're a plant. There's a lot of things that you just can't do. There's one thing that I can do, make oxygen from me to you. It all comes natural to me, especially when I'm real hungry. With energy from the sunlight, I simply can't do it at night. I'll just soak up your CO2 and add water to make my food.
Yo, it's called photosynthesis, but you ain't never gonna be as hip as this. Cause I'm a chlorophyll machine. That's why I'm looking pretty green. Throw me out in the spotlight. That's where I'm gonna shine tonight. Except not at night, cause like I said, without the sun, well, I'd be dead. And you'd be dead too without me. Cause I'm the one that makes the oxygen you breathe. So go ahead, water my roots. I'll do the rest. The name is Groot.
It's called photosynthesis, but you ain't never gonna be as hip as this. Cause I'm a chlorophyll machine, that's why I'm looking pretty green. With energy from the sunlight, I simply can't do it at night. I'll just soak up your CO2 and add water to make my food. Photosynthesis is why we can breathe and stay alive. It's how plants can make their food from water, light, and CO2.
So now, and after you sang and danced with the photosynthesis song, it's time for us to start our lesson. So I want from you now to think about the definition of photosynthesis from what you heard in the song and from your previous knowledge. So what is photosynthesis? Think, then answer. Excellent. So photosynthesis is the process by which green plants produce their own food. So through photosynthesis, plants make their own food. So they make their own food using photosynthesis. Now, let's start with a small recap. So we said that photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their own food. But what are the needs of photosynthesis? So the first thing that photosynthesis needs is green plants because photosynthesis does not happen unless the plant is green because photosynthesis needs chlorophyll. And another thing is sunlight because photosynthesis does not happen without the sunlight. Excellent. What is the second thing that photosynthesis needs? Excellent. Yes. So photosynthesis needs carbon dioxide. One more thing. What is the last thing that photosynthesis needs? Excellent. Water and mineral salts. Yay! Let's repeat them together. So photosynthesis needs green plants because of the chlorophyll, needs sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, and mineral salts. Yay! Now I want from you to observe this image and now to answer to the following question. What is crude sap? So from this image, you see an arrow which is colored in red and called crude sap. What is crude sap? Excellent. So crude sap is a mixture of water and mineral salts. So water plus mineral salts makes crude sap. Now what is elaborated sap? Mm, excellent. So elaborated sap is a solution rich in organic matter, and it is produced by photosynthesis and it circulates inside the plant. So as we discussed in the previous sessions, that plants make organic matter through photosynthesis. The organic matter that the plants make during photosynthesis is called elaborated sap, and it circulates inside the plant. Now, I want from you to observe the following image and to tell me how photosynthesis happens. So, observe this image very well, and I want from you to describe or to tell me from this image how photosynthesis happens. Excellent. So, the first thing is that in the presence of sunlight, root sap, as you can see in the image, which is a mixture of water and mineral salt, is absorbed by the roots. Then crude sap is transported by the conducting vessels to the different parts of the stem, fruits, leaves, etc. Meanwhile, in this time, as you can see, oxygen, carbon dioxide, as you can see the blue arrow, is enters to the leaves through the tiny pores called stomata, and also the plant releases oxygen, which is the orange or the red arrow. Then finally, as you can see, crude sap becomes elaborated sap, the arrow is in blue, and it's distributed to all the parts of the plant. So it's distributed to the leaves, to the fruits, and to the stems. So let's repeat it together one more time. So first, for photosynthesis to happen, it needs sunlight. So in the presence of sunlight, crude sap is absorbed by the roots, then which and the crude sap, don't forget, it's a mixture of water and mineral salts. Crude sap then it's transported by the conducting vessels to the different parts of the plant, such as the fruits, the leaves, the stems, etc. And meanwhile, carbon dioxide is gonna enter to the leaves through the tiny pores called stomata, and oxygen is gonna be released. Then, at the end, crude sap becomes elaborated sap, which is distributed to all the parts of the plant. And the elaborated sap is the food that the plants make, which is called organic matter, in order to eat. Now, as a closure, I wanted from you to draw an image or do a play or a song about the process of photosynthesis. Don't forget to send me the videos and the images that you are going to draw. Bye. See you next time.